Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start over again. Alrighty, guys, so today we are doing a basement clean with me. It is also going to be in collaboration with my super sweet friend Carolyn from Summer Winter Mom. I will go ahead and link her channel and her Instagram and her TikTok down below in the description box. That way you can go head on over to all of those platforms of hers and comment, like, subscribe, follow, you know the drill. She's a super sweet friend. I absolutely adore her, and she has the sweetest family. I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself right now.
Hey guys, my name is Carolyn and I am so glad to be doing this collaboration, and I just wanted to introduce myself really quick. I am a mom to twin baby girls named Summer and Winter, and our family loves to travel. On my channel, Summer Winter Mom, you can typically find family adventure as well as my typical life as a mother of twins. I also post cleaning motivation and cooking recipe ideas, basically all things mom, but like I said, I'm a mom who loves adventure. So stop over and say hello after you finish watching this video. I hope to meet you soon, and I hope that you enjoy my content. Thank you again for watching this video, and I look forward to meeting you and sharing some of my positive, happy, bubbly vibes with you and many productivity hacks. Hope to see you soon.
Alrighty, friends, you guys saw all of that laundry that I needed to get folded. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the laundry. I think there's about 7 loads here. You're only going to see me fold a couple of loads. I did not want to bore you with that, but I needed to get it done. And after I get it done, we will move on to my office. While I have you guys here, I am just going to put this out there. If I seem a little bit off during this video, it is because this is the day that I got my EEG leads taken off of my head. So my head is sore. I do have sores all over my head, but I am one that continues to push through. So I encourage you, if you have something holding you back, if you have something holding you down, if you have things that are getting in your way, keep pushing, keep going. You deserve all of the great things in your life that you have in store. So I encourage you to keep on going. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, get in the groove, get this room done, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music. Go ahead and clean or do whatever it is that you need to do while watching or listening to my video. Okay guys, confession. I was going to disassemble all of these boxes in the corner. That way I could just fold them up and put them somewhere nicely. However, I have decided I am not going to waste my time with that. I'm just going to kind of clean around them. Anyways, more to come. Obviously, you guys know the drill. We are going to put box emojis in the comment section down below if you have made it this far through the video. We did get my office, all the laundry done, and this main living room done. You guys, we got so much done. It was so fun. My daughter helped me get the living room basement part of this done. She was so energetic and knew that I wasn't feeling my best, but wanted to make sure that I could get this video up and going for each and every one of you. Carolyn, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I cannot wait to do many more with you. You are a special friend. I'm so thankful for you. To each and every one of you watching this video, please stay positive, stay upbeat, love yourself, encourage others, and have a beautiful, beautiful week. I love each and every one of you. Once again, bye now.